Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off swipe down for notification panel in Samsung S22. Right now, wherever we swipe down on the home screen, we will have our notification panel visible. How to turn it off? We need to go to Settings, then Home Screen, and in home screen we have this little option, swipe down for notification panel. What does it do? Exactly what it's described. Open the notifications panel by swiping down anywhere on the home screen. When we turn it off, now we don't have this panel. To open this panel, we have to swipe from the top of the screen. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.